with another video. Here I'm describing. I'm working on uh, so I'm in my books controller in this Ruby app. I'm just learning, and I just figured out the other day I can print stuff to the console, not the console. It's not a console. What is it? Why do I have two atoms? It's this. What is this? The terminal. Well, it's the server. This is the server, output or whatever. So I don't understand why there's two atoms. I need to figure out autosave. Let's do everything on one monitor. I can't live without autosave. Ugh. What is all this crap? Just tell me how. Update, autosave, package. Where's my package JSON? Autosaves editor when they lose focus or destroyed or when the window is closed. Oh, I want it to autosave after like 500 milliseconds. Whatever. I'll live without it. So, here's my app. So yeah. I'm just messing around, just because if I decide, oh no, Control C. Huh. Have some changes. So, books controller, routes RB, modified this migration. I found something that I changed. This is bugging me. In this migration, add column. This was a hyphen. Add column, author ID to books. So I fixed it. I've changed it to an underscore. I think that's. So if I go and run those migrations, I don't know what'll happen. So we go in the Rails console. And I want to say I learned this the other day. Book.all. Got all the books. Uninitialized constant. Did you mean Thor? So, I've got a table that has an author column. So, I need to create I created a table authors, and they have a name and a birth year. Create table authors. Create table books. Author, class author. I really wish that VS Code would open up. Atom, I like Atom, it's pretty, but VS Code is my editor, and it won't open. I right click, open, nothing. Go in the terminal, try to open code, nothing. And so I have to learn this new editor. Atom is great. So problem is, I don't know how to search. Control Shift, oh, Control Shift F. Okay, Command Shift F. It was what I thought it was. So I want to find the class author. Yeah, it's in the controllers, author's controller. Author's controller test. Author's controller. So inside the books controller, I added all of these statements to print out to the terminal. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. New book. New function is being called from books controller. So let's try some basic escape character. Index function is being called. So when I hit new book, it should say new. I wanted new to be, oh, I need to save it. I'm so used to autosave. This guy's coaching me. He always says, "Say, okay, now save that file." I'm like, it's autosave, man. I got autosave. I don't need to. So I got single quotes. I use the backslash. You know, baby steps. Baby steps. Little baby steps, you know. You gotta build a sense of accomplishment if you want to have the emotional fuel. Because some people, you know, some people are just, they need that little boost, you know. You feel like I did something. Like, I've been knowing how to do this stuff. I've been knowing. Just make it a little bit more, I mean, this is a dumb little detail. My workflow, I should be going off of a list of user stories that I want to implement these user stories. And so why not? Here, let's go new Yeah, we'll save it in the root directory of the app. We'll call it no, we'll call it user stories. That'll be fun. And my first user story, you know, it's the assignment. What is the assignment? I'm in the boot camp. Yeah, this is good. Promoting the boot camp. Gotta promote the boot camp. So, the assignments, boot camp assignments. I've already downloaded this. So, what do I have to do? Create a Rails application CRUD. I've lost interest. I want to convert these into user stories. So the one that I'm trying to do right now, the second assignment refers to the same app. We're talking about the same app here. So, you know what, I'll just take, this is just for convenience. I'll put the whole assignments file inside the app. And we'll just call it user stories, so I can refer, and I don't have to remember where the heck it is in my documents folder, because I don't know where the heck it is. So we need to add a migration / model for author. So it's Rails G migration, Rails G model. Authors, name string, birth year, integer. We need to add a foreign key to books. The books table. Add a foreign key to a table. And that foreign key needs to be author ID. You know, has many, belongs to, relationship. And we need to add CRUD for authors. So we need to be able to create, read, update, destroy authors independently of books. Allow the user to select author from a select element. Oh, that's good. Well, that's already built in. When I go new book, I can select from any of these other books that I've already inputted and the authors right here. So, this has been a productive session. I want to end it here, and hopefully you'll join me on the next one. Goodbye.